Nice to see you all back. Welcome to virtual class by Adhyayan Tutorials. Hope you all are safe and fine. Okay, so before we start, I will be giving you a few general instructions. Please listen to them carefully. In case you have any doubt, you can let me know in the chat box. All right. So first thing, please make sure you are sitting with a book and a pen to take down the running notes. Okay. If you don't have, please make sure that you have it now. You will be needing a book and a pen. Make sure that you maintain the same book then. If you do not have a new book, it's okay. You don't have to go and buy one. You can use any book of last year wherever you have leftover pages. But make sure you continue writing your notes in the same book then for the same subject. All right. Second thing is you will unmute yourself only when you are asked to do so. Okay. Very, very important. Then if you have any doubts, you will put in the chat box when I ask you to do so. Okay. And finally, once I start with the class, I will be asking lots of questions and I will be taking tests too. So you have to be very, very attentive. All right. I hope my instructions are clear to all of you. And here we start. Okay. Once again, bonsoir, a very good evening. All right. Before we start, I'm going to ask a few questions. This is a topic that you have already learned in grade 8, right? So let's check whether you remember this. Okay, I'm starting with this because we are meeting after a long time. And so I need to know if you remember all of this. This is like very, very basic. You will be needing this to learn the things that we are going to go ahead with. So, do you remember the subject pronouns? Let me know in the chat box. Yes, no, yes. So, the first thing I get a yes from is Suzanne from Takshila branch. So, I'm going to unmute you, dear Suzanne. Yeah, so from my side, I have given you the permission. You must be receiving a notification saying unmute. Click on that and you will be able to speak. Suzanne, do you hear me? No, Suzanne, you didn't get it? Okay. So then maybe unfortunately there is some technical problem. Then we'll go ahead to somebody else. Okay, there's one more, Suzanne from JB Nagar. Suzanne, do you hear me? Okay, I see answers coming up in the chat box already. Okay. Anaida, can you hear me? Anaida, are you there?
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Hello, Anaida, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you?
Good, good, dear. Good to see you all and talk to you all after a long time. Okay, dear, do you remember the subject pronouns?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so could you quickly tell us what are they in French?
Yes, ma'am. For singular, it will be je,
Very good.
and for plural, it will be nous.
Very good. So first just tell me the singular part. Left hand side wala column bol do. First person je, second
Ma'am,
person
je,
singular. हाँ.
tu, il,
Very very good.
and
Very good. Super. अभी je का plural बोलना है आपको.
nous,
Very good. Perfect. Q का plural.
vous,
Superb. Il का.
ils,
L का.
elles.
Awesome. Very good. क्या बात है यार. सबको सब कुछ याद है.
Thank
So
you, ma'am.
here is the list. Anaida, you can mute yourself. Thank you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So here is the list. You can just go through the list once, and then I'll be asking more questions. So then I can see there is some technical error from your side. No problem, dear. All right. Now that you've gone through the table, I'm going to ask more questions. Okay. Those who don't have any technical issue can put in the chat box if you want to answer. I'm going to ask simple questions, so don't worry at all. Yeah. So I see Malay from DN Nagar wants to answer. Malay, I'll be giving you the speech access. Hello, Malay.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So Malay, I hope you've understood the subject pronouns that we just discussed.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So now I will be telling you a subject noun. Okay. मैं आपको noun बोलूंगी. आप मुझे replace करके
Okay.
subject pronoun बोलना.
Okay.
हाँ. Okay. So first one I say धोनी. अगर मुझे धोनी को हटा के कोई subject pronoun लिखना है तो ये list में से मैं क्या use कर सकती हूँ मलय? Am I धोनी?
अच्छा त्यू
Are you धोनी मलय? कोई बात नहीं. Do you want to pass on, take a help from a friend?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So whom do you want me to pass on the speech access to?
Man.
Okay. Let me see. If he doesn't have any technical problem, we can definitely ask him. Yeah. Man from DN Nagar. Man,
Yes, miss.
yeah. So Man, your friend has asked for a help. Let me
Yeah.
know. Did you understand the question? Do you want me to repeat?
No, miss, I understood.
अच्छा. तो मुझे बताओ आप आंसर क्या बोलोगे यहाँ पे धोनी के लिए?
Ill.
ओके. क्यों आपने इल क्यों चूज किया मन?
Miss, because he is singular and he is the third person which we both are talking.
Very good. So first person being I over here, second person being Man because I'm talking to him, है ना? You. मैं मन से बात कर रही हूँ. तो मन को मैं you बोलूंगी. And Dhoni is a third person here. Okay, it's neither I nor Man. It's he, third person. He मैंने choose किया क्योंकि it is masculine ना धोनी. Masculine है, male है, and singular मतलब एक ही बंदा है. That is how we choose the subject pronoun. Okay. Man, now I say Dhoni
Yes.
and Virat both. तो आप क्या बोलोगे subject pronoun के list में से?
Ills.
Very good. Now I say just Anushka.
L.
Very good. I say Anushka and Virat.
No. No, miss, sorry, no.
हम थोड़ी अनुष्का विराट है मन. Nu is we. We are not Anushka and Virat. So now here we have one masculine and one feminine. है ना? Virat
Yeah.
masculine, Anushka feminine. Whenever you have a masculine and a feminine का combination, we will always use. Yes, I get the answers in the chat box already. Man, do you want to answer?
Else.
नहीं. Else is used when you have two feminine. Now, when you have a masculine and feminine both.
Yes.
During that time, we are going to use ills. Okay, Man, am I clear?
Yes.
Acha, now if I say Sakshi and Dhoni, what will you use?
Ills.
Very good. If I say Jaya and Amitabh, तो आप क्या use करोगे?
Ills.
If I say Aishwarya and Abhishek, आप क्या use करोगे?
Ills.
Very good. Now if I say Anushka and Alia, आप क्या use करोगे मन?
Else.
L. Very good. So I hope you are getting the idea of which subject pronoun is to be used when.
Yes.
All right. Now the question is about. Okay. Now I change the question. Now I say Man and I.
No.
Yes. Repeat, dear.
No.
Very good. So when I'm talking about you and I, it's we. Do you get me, everyone? Whenever first person is included in the group, it's going to be always we. Similarly, if I say Man and you all, the others in the participants list, but not me. Then what will you think? What will you write here, Man?
Ils.
Okay, but इल्स is used when you are not included, है ना? they में आप
Yes.
खुद को include नहीं कर सकते.
Hmm.
So here when I say you and others, it's going to be you all, right?
Yeah.
So you all मतलब plural में you वाला कौन सा है देखो?
Who.
Yes, absolutely correct. Then if I say Man and मैं Malay, if I talk to Man and I say Malay and you, तो अब आप क्या चूज करोगे?
No.
अच्छा, see, I am saying this, I am saying this to you. Man, listen carefully. I am saying this to you. I say Malay and you. I don't say Malay and I say
Yes.
Malay and you.
Ils.
अच्छा, is Malay and you they?
No.
तो Malay and you क्या होगा मेरे लिए? What will I call you both?
Who.
Exactly. Very, very good. When I say Malay and I, then what will you choose?
No.
Absolutely correct. So you see the difference between nu and woo? Nu is
Yes.
when I am included. Okay, when first person is included, it's nu. So
No.
French में कैसे use करेंगे हम nu and woo? Anyone plus mua aya. I will put this in the chat box also. You can note it down. Anyone plus mua aya. So you will always use nu. I have put this in the chat box. You can note it down. Everybody else. See, this is why we talked about having the notebook. Then similarly, if it's anyone plus tua, you will always use woo. Okay? So I repeat myself. Anyone plus mua, anyone plus I is always we. Just as how it is in English. Anyone plus mua, nu. Anyone plus I is we. Similarly, anyone plus you is you both, you all. Okay? Anyone plus tua is woo. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Everyone understood this thing? Let me know. If you have any doubt, please you can put that in the chat box. Okay. Man, we mute you. Thank you so much, dear. Very good. So it seems everyone has understood. I go ahead. And I hope that you have taken down the notes too. Anyone plus mua is nu. Anyone plus tua is woo. Then when you have a combination of masculine and feminine, it is always ill. ये सब note में डाल दो. If you don't remember, तो लिखा हुआ रहेगा, तो you can always go back to it. Yeah. All right. So we go ahead. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the basic verb. Okay. This was the first verb I think we learned in grade 8. It is very important to know these things. These are very, very basic things. Okay. So I see somebody says miss me. Okay, Ria, maybe Ria wants to answer. She says miss me. Before even I ask who wants to answer, she's already said. So yes, Ria, I come to you to ask questions. Ria from DN Nagar. Ria, I'm unmuting you, dear.
Yes, miss.
Yeah, okay. Ria, do you remember Etra conjugation?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so let's see. Start.
Je suis,
Very, very good.
tu es,
Superb.
il est, elle est,
Excellent.
nous sommes,
Yes,
vous êtes,
yes.
ils sont, elles sont.
Very good. Perfect. So the most important thing over here is in the wo form there is an accent. वो भूलने का नहीं.
Yes.
वो form में एत्रा का conjugation में there is an accent. E circumflex T-E-S. Okay.
Okay.
Please remember this. Thank you so much, dear Ria. We mute you. Yeah. So those who do not know etra conjugation or those who want to just go through it once, you can take few seconds and then I will be going ahead. You can give me a green signal in the chat box if you are fine with this so that I can go ahead. Done. Done. Okay, I see done. Malay, if you do not have this conjugation with you, then you write it. Okay, if you have it, I see. As long as I know, all of you must be having your 8th standard book with you. So this is given in that book. Okay. If you do not have your 8th standard book anymore, you have given it to someone, then you will have to write this down. Those who have it, very good. But at least write down what all is covered. First thing, subject pronouns. Second thing, etra. Itna likhte jao. All right. So I go ahead. I see I've got the green signal. Okay. Avoir. Anyone? Anyone for avoir? Avoir conjugation? Me. Okay. That is JB Nagar se Pritika. Good to see everyone is participating. Superb. So Pritika, I'm giving you the speech axis.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Pritika, do you want to start?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Chalo. Go ahead.
Jo ai
Very good.
tua
Very good.
ila
Yes.
ela
Yes.
nuzavo
Very, very good.
vuaves
Vous avez. Yes.
ilzon
Yes.
elzon.
Excellent. Very, very good, Pritika.
Thank you, miss.
We mute you, dear. Yeah. So here is our conjugation. Again, a few seconds to go through it, and then we'll go ahead. So basically, those who are wondering what am I talking about conjugation, क्या बोल रही हूँ बार-बार? Conjugation is nothing but ये verb में जो changes हो रहा है ना, ai से change होके as हो रहा है. This is conjugation. ai, as, avons, aves, ont. This is called as conjugation. Okay. Now the conjugation is basically going to happen depending on the subject. मतलब AI है तो वो ज के साथ लिखते हैं हम. तो ये चेंज जो होता है वर्ब में वो सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से होता है. AI for j, as for you. ये changes that happen according to the subject. Okay, the changes that are happening in the verb according to the subject, that is called as conjugation. That happens even in English. अगर तुम बाजू में meaning देखोगे तो I have, you have, but he and she के साथ has बोला, he and she have नहीं बोला, है ना? तो कैसे have has changed to has, है ना? Similarly, here in French also it does change. I have is j'ai, tu as, you have, il, elle a, he or she has. Okay, so here the conjugation is going to change each time with every subject pronoun. Is this clear? Let me know in the chat box. Shall I go ahead? Type a yes in the chat box if you are clear with this. Okay, so next thing now. Next thing, I would again want someone to give me the conjugation of avoir just to check if you remember it. Let me know who wants to answer. Yeah, I see somebody raising hand over here. DN Nagar se it was Namra. क्या हुआ Namra? Are you there? Can you hear me, dear?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So our conjugation बोलोगे मुझे, dear? Can you hear me, dear Namra? Are you there? Okay. Seems to be some problem from his end. I see Soham from Takshila wants to answer. Okay, Soham, I give you the speech access. Yes, Soham, start. Soham, can you hear me? I'm there to help you, Soham. Can you hear me? Hello, Soham. Okay. Then unfortunately we go to some other student. Soham, I'll have to give your turn to Mahi. I see Mahi has raised hand. Yeah, Mahi from Takshila branch. Yes, Mahi. चलो फटाफट बोलो मुझे अभी. Our conjugation.
J-I to R
Very,
to F L-L-A no ever to away L-L on.
very good. ये तो एकदम fast train के जैसे फटाफट बोल दिया. Very, very good, Mahi. So the most important thing is to remember JE changing to J apostrophe, है ना? Because of the vowel clash. But ये Q में नहीं होता है. Q and AS में भी vowel clash हो रहा है, but हम Q में apostrophe नहीं डालेंगे. That's a rule. All right, everyone, please do remember. j में हम J apostrophe कर देंगे because of the vowel clash, but that doesn't happen with Q or that doesn't happen with L. ये हमको याद रखना है. This is very, very important. Now, Mahi, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. So, Mahi, do you remember how to make the verb in the negative form?
Yes.
Acha, so could you tell us?
Yes. Je ne ai pas.
Very good. Excellent. So, basically, just a second, Mahi, hold on. I'll just explain it to others and then you can go ahead and tell me the negative form. So, here, Mahi is very well aware of the negative rule. For those who don't know, I'm going to explain it once. What you do is add na before the conjugation and add pa after the conjugation. मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया कॉन्जुगेशन क्या होता है ना. यहाँ पे आवर कॉन्जुगेशन क्या है? AI, AS, A, AVONS, AVEZ, ONT. तो ये अभी मैंने जो बोला उसके पहले न डालने का, न NE, एंड उसके बाद पा डालने का, PAS. एंड when the vowels clash, तभी न changes to an apostrophe. I hope I'm clear. If you have any doubt, please do let me know in the chat box. Okay, Mahi, I unmute you again.
Yes.
Okay, Mahi, tell me the negative form, dear.
Tu ne a pas.
Very good.
L-L ne
Yes.
ai pas. No
Very good.
ne ever pas.
Very good.
Ne away pas.
Excellent.
L ne en pas.
Excellent. Okay. Mahi, we mute you. Thank you, dear. Okay. So once again I repeat, if you see the negative form, मैंने bold में नपा डाला है आउआर के आगे एंड पीछे. Conjugation के आगे एंड पीछे नपा डालने का. So basically आउआर conjugation को sandwich करने का न पा से. Okay. You sandwich this verb with न and pa. Remember यहाँ पे सब जगह NE has changed to an apostrophe because of the vowel clash. Okay. Je ne pas. So basically it is je NE. But because the vowels are clashing, NE को हमने an apostrophe कर दिया है. All right? Okay. Anyone for Etra once again? In the chat box, please do let me know. Yeah. So Man, again Man. Okay, we come to Kritika from JB Nagar. Yeah, Kritika dear. So,
Yes.
yeah, tell me the Etra conjugation.
Je suis,
Yes,
tu es, il est, elle est, nous
yes,
sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont.
वेरी गुड. अभी मुझे इसका नेगेटिव करके बताओ. बाजू में आउआर आपके लिए सैंपल दिया हुआ है.
Je ne suis pas,
वेरी गुड.
tu n'es pas,
यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे अभी? एन.
un apostrophe.
वेरी वेरी गुड. सो अदर्स प्लीज नोट, ज न स्वीपा हमने एन ई पूरा लिखा क्योंकि वॉवल क्लैश नहीं हो रहा था. नीचे वाले में हमने एन ई को अपॉस्ट्रोफ कर दिया बिकॉज द वॉवल्स आर क्लैशिंग. राइट? सो रिमेंबर, जब वॉवल क्लैश नहीं होता है तो हम पूरा लिखेंगे एन ई. वॉवल क्लैश होता है तो एन अपॉस्ट्रोफ कर देने का. या कंटिन्यू कृतिका डियर.
Il n'est pas,
यस
elle n'est pas,
यस.
nous ne sommes pas,
वेरी
vous
गुड.
n'êtes pas, ils ne sont pas, elles ne sont pas.
Very, very good. Thank you, dear Pritika. Excellent. Okay. I'll keep the slide over here for a while. Please make sure that you go through the affirmative form of AUR and ETRA and the negative form of AUR and ETRA. एक बार अच्छे से देख लो. If you have any doubt, please do ask me in the chat box. Few seconds and then we will have a small, okay. We will include one more verb after which we will have a small test. No doubt, okay. Krish says no doubt. Others, is ETRA and AUR clear in the affirmative and the negative form? Yes, okay. All right, so we go ahead. I see a lot of people saying no doubt. Yes, clear, okay. Now, what we do is हमने affirmative form कर लिया, हमने negative form कर लिया. अभी मुझे chat box में बताओ और एक कौन सा form बाकी है हमारा? एक तो affirmative form, दूसरा negative form. There is one more form. Yes, I get the answer from Anaida. Very, very good, Anaida. You are absolutely correct. Krisha has also answered. Riya has answered. Kritika has answered. Ketki, very, very good. Everyone is so very active and everyone knows all of this. क्या बात है? I have a scholar batch. So you are absolutely correct. The third form that we have to know is the interrogative form. All right. तो मैंने यहाँ पे ETRA का affirmative and negative already दिया है, क्योंकि आप लोग सब champions हो, आपको ये दो forms already आते हैं. Now what we do is go ahead with the interrogative form. तो interrogative form एक मैं बताऊंगी, फिर AUR का आप बताओगे. So pay attention. Okay, I'm going to ask question. Interrogative form. अब interrogative form करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? जॉब फॉर्म में हम यूजुअली एस का लगाते हैं. ओके, एस का and then we write just we with a question mark. Interrogative is basically asking question, है ना? So it is very important to put the question mark. अगर आप question mark नहीं डालोगे तो पता नहीं चलेगा कि वो statement है कि question है, right? तो इसीलिए adding a question mark is very very important for the interrogative form. Now in the job form, all we did is we just added s का in the front, है ना? Starting में s का डाला, फिर जसवी लिखा and question mark डाला. That's it. But from the Q form onwards, we cannot do that. Okay. So Riya, is my voice clear now, dear? Riya? Okay, just a second. What you can do, others, can you hear me or is it only with Riya? Let me know in the chat box. Naida. Okay, everyone else can hear. So Riya, what you can do is increase the volume. Others can hear, so maybe there is a problem from your end, Riya. आप try करो volume increase करो अपना device का. Others can hear me. Riya, now can you hear me? Volume increase किया बच्चा? Yes, now she can hear me. Very good, Riya. Okay, so back to interrogative form. In the job form, we usually add s ka. But from the Q form onwards, what you do is you swap. Somebody had already answered in the chat box कि हम swap करते हैं Q form onwards. तो swap मतलब क्या? अभी आपको फर्स्ट कॉलम रेफर करने का, अफर्मेटिव वाला कॉलम रेफर करो. देखो मेरा कर्सर किधर है, ये वाला कॉलम, फर्स्ट कॉलम रेफर करो. अब यहाँ पे QA को हम उल्टा कर देंगे. ओके, QA को उल्टा करने का, स्वॉप मतलब उल्टा करने का. सो आई विल स्वॉप इट, उल्टा करूंगी. QA को AQ करूंगी मैं, बाद में हाइफन डालूंगी बीच में एंड लास्ट में क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस इज हाउ यू मेक इट इंटरोगेटिव. आई रिपीट, QA becomes AQ, उल्टा. उल्टा मतलब स्वॉप करने का. QA AQ, स्वॉप के बाद हाइफन एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क नहीं भूलने का. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो who will tell me the remaining forms? Il, A, nu, soms. इसका इंटरोगेटिव कौन बताएगा मुझे? Let me know in the chat box. Can you hear me? Hello. Yes. Okay. So Parv from DN Nagar. Parv, we unmute you. Yes, Parv. You can now go ahead and tell me the interrogative form. Parv, can you hear me? Hello, Parv. Parv, are you there? Okay. Who else was it? From Ghatkopar branch, it is Neha. Okay. Neha, I unmute you. Parv, sorry dear, we can't hear you. Yes. Neha, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Quickly tell me the interrogative form from L onwards.
est il elle question
Very
mark.
good. Very good. And बीच में क्या भूल गए आप?
Hyphen.
Very, very good. Very important. हाँ, hyphen डालना मत भूलना.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one.
Soms hyphen nu
And. Last में punctuation mark.
question mark.
हाँ, please do not forget this. Okay. Very, very good. Go ahead, dear.
Et hyphen vu question mark.
Very good. And last one.
Sont il elle hyphen
Very good.
il elle
Yes,
question mark.
yes. Very, very good, Neha. Thank you, dear.
Thank
We
you,
mute you. Okay. So you have the interrogative form. Now somebody asked me why is the je form different? That is the rule, dear. Okay. Je form में हम generally s का use करते हैं. Especially for the regular verbs, regular er verbs. यहाँ पे तो आप फिर भी switcher लिख सकोगे. It is acceptable. But for the regular er ending verbs and all, you have to make sure that you add s. हम वहाँ पे swap नहीं कर सकते. That's a rule. Okay. I hope I cleared your doubt. Who asked that doubt to me? Let me check. Okay, so I hope I'm clear to you, whosoever has this doubt. I will be going ahead and I hope ETRA is clear to all of you. ETRA in the affirmative, ETRA negative and ETRA interrogative. Are all the three forms clear? Chat box में बताओ मुझे. Yes. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead. Yeah. So now we have our in the affirmative and in the negative form. इसका interrogative form कौन बताएगा मुझे? Let me know in the chat box. Okay, Daniel from Takshila branch. Daniel, I'm going to unmute you. I'm so happy to see you all participating. Yeah. Daniel, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Chalo, let's start. Interrogative form in the je form. Je
Miss-
ka interrogative.
This first one is est-ce que j'ai?
Very good. Est-ce que j'ai?
Then as hyphen two question mark.
Very, very good. Daniel, third wala.
I hyphen il question mark. A
Yes.
hyphen l question mark.
Okay, I will just
Our-
add. Okay. Daniel, 1 minute, dear. 1 minute. I'll just add one thing over here. यहाँ पे आपको रेड में दिख रहा होगा हाइफन टी हाइफन, राइट? तो ये हाइफन टी हाइफन इज एडेड व्हेन द वॉवल्स क्लैश. ओके, अब आप देखोगे यहाँ पे तो ए एंड आई क्लैश हो रहा था एंड एल लिखा तो ए एंड ई क्लैश हो रहा था, है ना? डू यू सी माय कर्सर? A and E are getting clashed and A and I are getting clashed. If you so to avoid this clash we add hyphen T hyphen. ये कभी होता है, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ interrogative form के लिए ऐसे करते हैं हम. Okay, I hope I'm clear. In the interrogative form, when the vowels clash, we add hyphen T hyphen. ये specially ELL form में होता है ऐसा. Okay, you can make a note of it. Yeah, Daniel, dear, continue. Use our का interrogative.
Our dash nu dash our dash nu hyphen. Our hyphen nude question mark.
हाँ, okay, very good.
Aves hyphen woo question mark.
Very good.
On hyphen ils question mark.
Very, very good.
On hyphen else question mark.
Very good, dear. Very good, Daniel. We mute you. Thank you. Okay. So you have all the three forms over here: our affirmative, our negative, our interrogative. Let me know when you are done or if you have any doubt so that I can go ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now I'm going to display the third verb. Okay, a third verb ka, here it is on the screen. Ale. Ale is to go. Does anyone remember Ale conjugation? Anyone? Let me know in the chat box. Yes. Mahi from Takshila branch says yes. So Mahi, I am going to give you the speech access. Hello Mahi.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. So Mahi, please give me the conjugation of the verb aller in
Yes.
the affirmative form. Okay, affirmative.
Yes. Je vais.
Very good. मुझे spelling बताओगे तो best रहेगा.
J
Spelling.
J
Okay. You can skip the subject pronouns. You just tell me the spelling. VAIS. फिर आगे.
Yes. J VAIS to
Yes.
VAS.
Very good.
VA.
Very good.
VA.
Very, very good.
VA. No. Allons. ALLONS. Go Alice. ALLEZ. Else. VONT.
Excellent. Very, very good माही. बहुत सारा बादाम खा के आई है लगता है. Okay. माही नेगेटिव फॉर्म बताओ मुझे.
This negative form.
अच्छा. Do you want? Yes.
Ne. Base.
Correct. Je ne vais pas.
Je ne vais pas.
Very good.
Ne va VAS pas.
Very good.
Ne va pas. Elle ne va pas. On ne va pas. Nous n'allons pas.
Okay. Just a second, Mahi. Hold on. यहाँ पे you have to be very, very careful. Yes. Remember, vowels are clashing. इसलिए any and apostrophe में change हो गया. Continue, Mahi.
Nous ne apostrophe allez pas.
Very good. She remembered the apostrophe. Very good, Mahi.
Else no apostrophe pas.
अच्छा. यहाँ पे apostrophe vowel clash हो रहा है क्या माही? देखो जरा.
No, sorry.
तो हम apostrophe नहीं, हम any लिखेंगे. Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा. Now the interrogative form माही. Do you want
Yes, miss. Can
someone else? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Whose help do you need?
Miss Anaida.
Anaida. Okay. Okay, Mahi. We mute you. Thank you, dear. Hello, Anaida.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, dear, your friend needs your help.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, please go ahead. Interrogative form of aller. Okay.
Ma'am, est-ce que je vais?
Very good. Question mark मत बोलो.
हाँ, question mark. Va-tu? Question mark.
Va hyphen भी मत बोलो. Okay. Hyphen Q question mark. Yes.
Va hyphen T hyphen il question mark.
Very good.
Va hyphen T hyphen L question mark.
Very, very good. So you see class here she remembered to put the hyphen T hyphen. यहाँ पे vowel slash हो रहा है ना, so she very well remembered to put the hyphen T hyphen. ये हमने last time किसमें देखा था याद है? Our में. Atil, Atel. अब यहाँ पे हम आलेन में सेम चीज कर रहे हैं, वातिल वातेल. This is done to avoid the vowel clash. Okay? Yeah. Continue, Anaida.
Ma'am, alo hyphen no question mark.
Very good.
Ale hyphen woo question mark.
Very, very good.
Want hyphen ills else question mark.
Excellent, Anaida. Very good. We are going to mute you. Okay. Now you can just go through this affirmative, negative, interrogative. Take few seconds. All right. I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to display all the three verbs together. Awar, estra, ale. All the three verbs in the affirmative form. इसका conjugation याद रखना बहुत बहुत important है. All the three verbs are very basic verbs and you need to know them. Okay, ये memorize करना है, ये by heart रखना है. You cannot forget this. These are the basic verbs. So few seconds and then we will have a small test based on these three verbs. Let me know when you are done with. Done? Okay, I see a lot of people saying done. All right. So affirmative form में हम normally लिखेंगे, I repeat, negative form में conjugation के पहले न, conjugation के बाद पा. Vowel clash हुआ तो n apostrophe डालेंगे. Interrogative form में, job form में हम s का लिखेंगे. बाकी सब forms में हम swap करेंगे, hyphen डालेंगे verb and subject के बीच में and last में question mark डालेंगे. Okay, I hope I am clear. I'll be displaying few questions on the screen. You can write the answers in the chat box. Okay. Nishant sir, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
So do we continue? Do we still have time or they have another lecture?
They don't have, but we have another lecture at 6 o'clock.
Okay, okay. So, all right, we will stop here. Class, we will have a test in the next lecture. But I will give you homework. Remember, your homework is to write awar, etra, and ale. All the three verbs in affirmative, negative, and interrogative forms in your notebook. Okay? Please note down the three verbs awar, etra, and interrogative. Awar, etra, and ale. In the three forms, affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay? फिर ये learn करके आना है next lecture के लिए so that you can write a small test. All right? One time, Krisha.